guys, I'm coming at you with some more Africa. This is amazing. Do you see in this that the book says Africa? It's so good. I bless the rains. Okay, we'll get back to that later. If you haven't watched the Africa music video and you want to relive the 80s, which you were never alive during, check it out. All right, so moving back to what we're doing for Africa this week, we are on week 7, which is hard to believe. We have been learning at home for 7 weeks, and this week I am looking for some students who will earn the EL Student of the Week award, and I'm also looking for people who post in the Flipgrid for a bag of candy. I mailed out a bag of candy last week to one of you in second hour, so you'll have to see who's the winner. So for Monday, there are 2 short videos you're going to watch. I went over the true or false questions from last Friday. So you're going to watch a video about the true or false. Then we are going to review the Jamboard with your Africa questions. At the end of all of that, you're going to take a little pop quiz. Hey, guess what? The answers to the pop quiz are in these videos. So you must watch the videos and then you'll take the pop quiz. You'll get some summative points and you'll probably get them all right because, like I said, the answers are in the videos. So Monday is a nice, quick day. Coming up for Tuesday, we're going to start studying some physical regions of Africa. Hey, there's 3 regions we're going to study. We're going to study the Sahara Desert, a place called the Sahel, and then the Savannah. I put all of the S regions together this week. So I made for you a video where you will learn about the Sahara region. There's some Sahara notes. And then I want to show you the Jamboard. So if you click on the Jamboard, you're going to find this. And there's 3 pages to it. We're going to use the same Jamboard every day. So this will be the Sahara one. The directions for the Jamboard are you're going to go add a picture. And in this one, this example was the Sahara. So you're going to find me a picture. Find a picture that no one else has found. Oh, there's a person doing yoga. That's interesting. I'm kind of liking this map here, so I'm going to put that in. And so one of your jobs is to find a picture that is, of the Sahara. And then in addition, I'd like you to write a post-it explaining it. So I could say like the Sahara Desert has a lot of sand. Okay. And then I'm going to put that next to here. Hopefully my picture will show up soon. So on Tuesday, we're learning about the Sahara. So your last thing is about the Sahara. Some of you would like to do a little bit more learning, and so I made an extension. I found a really cool website that we're going to use because it's awesome. And there's some information here about the Sahara Desert and then about camels and desert life. And so if you would like an extension, what I'm asking is for you to click on the picture of the hot desert and write something you learned about camels or desert life in the discussion board. So I'd like you just to share something you learned, and I think you'll have fun kind of poking around on this link. It was pretty interesting. It's called DK Find Out for curious people. Okay, so back to the week. On Wednesday, we're going to learn about a region called the Sahel. The Sahel, we'll watch a video, you'll do some notes. Again, we have the Jamboard. I'll show you the Jamboard. Oops, that's the Flipgrid. I'll show you the Jamboard. It is here for the Sahel. So again, you're going to put in a picture and then write me describing what the picture's showing. And that's it. I don't have an extension for the Sahel for Wednesday. So this is pretty simple. The videos I kept under 10 minutes. The notes maybe it'll take you 4 minutes. The Jamboard will take you like 2 minutes. So it's about 16 minutes. I think that's pretty good. For Thursday, we are going to learn about the Savannah. The savanna is the grasslands. So again, I have a video for you. We have a little bit of notes you'll turn in. We have a last page of the Jamboard. Here's the savanna. So you can already see the savanna is the grassland where a lot of the famous animals in Africa live. And I did an example where I put a picture and then I wrote about what I see in the picture. That's what you need to do for the Jamboard. I'm really excited about this for the extension. Again, I found a page, Africa Savanna. It's so cool because you can see all these different animals. And then like I don't know about white-backed vultures. Never heard of that. It tells you a little bit more about it. And if you're curious, you can then click on the vulture one and learn more about that. And then you're like, oh, why does it have a featherless head and neck? You can click on that to learn. So it's just like, that's a cool resource I found this week that I wanted to show to you. Okay, so going back in the Thursday folder. It's the same as the Tuesday and Wednesday in terms of you watch a video, do notes, and the Jamboard. Okay, so you're probably wondering what we're doing on Friday. Friday is going to be a chance to get some more summative points. On Friday, there's a quiz, and the quiz has all the answers. All the questions are going to be, is it the Sahara, is it the Sahel, or is it the Savannah? So I'm going to give you a question, like which is the dry region? Which is the region that has lots of animals? And you're going to need to pick which of the regions it is. So I do want you to do the learning on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday first, and then try the quiz. And I'm giving you 5 tries for the quiz on Friday. You'll get to see what answers you got right, any answers you got wrong, and you can go back and try it again. I made it so that if you do the work on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, you will get 100% on the quiz. Same with the quiz on Monday. If you watch the 2 videos, you will be able to get 100% on the quiz. So I'm looking for some students of the week. I'm looking for people who are excited, people who want to sing. Okay, maybe you don't want to sing, but you can sing if you want to. And I hope you have a great week.